Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that turtle token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Turtle launched in April 2024 by a remote team across Europe, the US and Africa. Turtle aligns incentives between protocols and LPs to offer the best curated incentives in DeFi. Their system finds unique yield opportunities and democratize access to any liquidity provider on their platform. The system is completely non-custodial, integrating with APIs and battle testing smart contract to track liquidity flows and rewards for their end users. They also offers advisory services to protocols seeking liquidity to ensure they are incentivizing at the most efficient market rate. Turtle token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 154.7 million turtle token. Turtle token is listed on Binance, Binance Alpha, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.